One of the important aspects of complete order fulfillment is the shipment label generation. Once an order is placed, you need to make sure you generate proper shipping labels for smooth package delivery. If you have integrated Australia Post Shipping Carrier in your WooCommerce store, with our ELEX WooCommerce Australia Post Shipping plugin with print label and tracking, shipping label generation is way too simple. With this plugin, you can generate Australia Post eParcel and StarTrack shipping labels. But you need to make sure you customize the label settings properly to make the best use of the plugin. In this video tutorial, we'll see how to customize Australia Post shipping labels, using ELEX WooCommerce Australia Post Shipping plugin. Although you can access real-time rates with a non-contracted account, the plugin offers the label generation feature only with a contracted eParcel or StarTrack account. Hence you need to register for the respective shipping service to generate Australia Post shipping labels. After you have provided the API key, enable the contracted account setting, and provide the API password and account number. Scroll down to enable real-time rates and shipping label generation. You also need to provide a shipper address. This address will be used to calculate live shipping rates from your location to the customer's location. It will also be printed on the shipping label. Click on the Save Changes button to save the configured settings. Next, to customize the shipping labels, move to the Label and Tracking section. Although there are various other label settings in the plugin, we will discuss 3 settings that are specific to customizing the shipping label. To understand the complete label settings, read the Label and Tracking section of the product documentation, the link for which is given in the video description. The first setting related to label customization is showing the Australia Post logo on the shipping labels. If you enable this setting, the Australia Post logo will be added to the shipping label. Once this setting is enabled, the store admin will also get this option on the individual WooCommerce orders page. The plugin allows the admin to show or hide the Australia Post logo on the label for that particular order. Next up we have the Documents Layout setting. This setting helps you in selecting the label sizes for the respective Australia Post services. For Australia Post Parcel Post service, the plugin currently supports A4 size with 1 label per page, A4 size with 4 labels per page, and thermal label A6 size with 1 shipping label per page. Similarly, the Express Post supports the same label sizes. And the shipping labels for international packages can be printed on an A4 size with 1 label per page. The third setting for label customization is the shipment content setting. The label content will be returned by Australia Post itself. You can add the desired shipment description to the label. This shipment description is usually used for customs purposes. Let us add a sample shipment content and save the settings. Here's a sample Australia Post shipping label. As configured, it shows the Australia Post logo and the shipment content. In this way, you can customize Australia Post shipping labels, using ELEX WooCommerce Australia Post Shipping plugin. To know how to print Australia Post shipping labels and create manifests in the WooCommerce admin order page, you can watch our next video tutorial. Follow the link in the video description. If you have not purchased the plugin, get it today at elextensions.com. You should note that ELEXtensions is recognized as an official Australia Post e-commerce platform partner, giving you another reason to trust this plugin. Follow the links in the video description and get started with a smooth Australia Post shipment management.
Go follow us on our social media channels and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos related to WordPress and WooCommerce.